So I really have to say this, yeah, that it's been a very like this realization that I used to think skills are only about if you're good at maths, physics, and all these subjects, but it's also that commitment and perseverance. I think Theodore Roosevelt, I think he had said that nothing can take the place of perseverance. Hard work will not, because there are lots of people who work hard in spurts. Talent will not, because we've seen a lot of talented people who go nowhere. So it is just perseverance that is no that takes you the long way. So reason I'm saying this is making videos needs like a certain amount of perseverance on my part and on your part also, too, for the cute, nice, adorable people who watch my videos. Thank you, yeah. You all are just doing like a good turn to someone. And of course, I feel I will try and improve the quality of my videos. But anyway, it's already a 1 minute video. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.